Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Leos. I'll be picking one card from the Oracle guidance, guys. So you can watch that if you have any doubts or if you want more clarity. And I'll be picking one card from these love messages for y'all today, guys. So that may be what your person wants to tell you or communicate with you, guys. And this is your oracle guidance card. I'll leave it here. We will see what it is as we proceed with the reading, guys, Leos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies here. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Justice in reverse, and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. You are sticking to certain ideals or certain beliefs or some path, and you are quite severe. You don't want to give up your ideologies or beliefs no matter what happens today in your life, let it be in your work or in your personal life. So you are sticking to the rules you have for yourself. So people around you, they may see you as a severe person, a person with a strict attitude who is not fun loving, rigid in some ways. But the reason for you to sticking on to those ideas or some path or some habits is, guys, because you want to excel in life, you want to achieve certain things, and you have goals, aspirations. You want to move towards that in a very meticulous way. So you're inching towards your success and you're putting in lot of efforts, and you don't want your efforts to go for a waste, guys. So that is the reason you're sticking to the rules. So maybe people are trying to make you leave all those ideals or whatever you're following, but you do not listen to anyone, guys. You stick to the rules you have for yourself. And Leos, maybe the way you are, maybe your skills or talents or your appearance makes you really attractive. So there are people attracted to your beauty and they want to be in this connection with you, and they find you an interesting person. So maybe for some of you, you may have people asking you again and again whether you are open for a relationship and whether you are interested in a connection with them. So some kind of proposal or love interest may reach you today, guys, Leo. And in your situation, Leos, it may be in your work or it may be in your personal life, you feel that you cannot trust someone. So this person has broken your trust or behaved in such a way that you have lost all your faith you had on them, and you feel that this person has created a situation where you cannot you feel really bad that you were thinking so greatly of them. They have they have squashed that image you had for them. So maybe for some of you, it may be end of a relationship with someone, and you feel that you cannot trust. It may not be the person you love, guys. It may be someone from your family circle, a friendship you had, and you trusted them a lot, but this friend is something else and you cannot relate to them anymore. That is what you feel today, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card. So it is King of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you are in a very positive vibration today in this relationship. You feel courage, strength with this person, and you are someone loving and caring, and you are in a very good position in life, and even in this relationship you are in a good place today, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is Four of Wands in reverse. So in your work situation, you are celebrating something, guys. Maybe it may be a beginning of a new project or assignment, something which makes you really happy, and you're celebrating with friends, family, or this person you love. And maybe it may be again a celebration in your relationship. Maybe you are celebrating this connection with this person. So there is some positive progress in your life today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. Let's see what is your Wisdom Oracle Guidance card. It says peace. Such a beautiful card for you all, guys. So with this card, in your relationship today, maybe you are in a perfect alignment with this person you love, and you feel peace and happiness with them, harmony. Just like two instruments playing together, you feel that harmony and balance in this relationship, and it is impossible to separate you both. Maybe you both feel each other as very familiar to each other, and there is so much bonding and a deep communication you are experiencing in this relationship. But maybe for some of you, if that is not the case, if you see that you do not have that harmony or balance in this relationship, again, it's a time for calmness, guys, and having that trust that this is a temporary condition. So even though there are certain things that are not working for you in this relationship, you need to find that harmony within your heart of hearts, and do not look for the outer world to provide certainty. So you need to understand that even this situation will change, and this too will pass in your life today, guys, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos, for you all today. So let's see what is your love message from the person you love. What do they feel about you, Leos? We are a perfect match. So indeed, maybe you both are a perfect match, guys. We had the similar energy with the previous card, the Oracle Guidance. So that is what your person feels about you, Leos. And that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.